Hello, and welcome to our guide on safeguarding your finances. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to stay financially secure, especially during uncertain times. Recession-proof investments. As markets wobble and economies dip, knowing where to place your money can mean the difference between financial anxiety and peace of mind. In the next few minutes, we'll unveil the top 10 investments that have historically held strong, even when everything else seems to be falling apart. From the essentials that keep the world turning to innovative sectors that defy economic downturns, we've got the insights you need to make informed decisions. Stay tuned as we explore these safe harbors where your investments can not only survive but thrive no matter the economic weather. Let's start with the basics. Consumer staples. These are your everyday essentials. Products that people need regardless of economic conditions. Think about it. No matter what the stock market is doing, you're still going to buy toothpaste, toilet paper, and groceries, right? This category includes items from food and beverages to household goods and personal care products. Companies like Procter & Gamble, with their vast array of necessary products, and Coca-Cola, known for beverages consumed by millions daily, stand out in this sector. Historically, consumer staples have shown remarkable resilience during recessions. For example, during the 2008 financial crisis, while many sectors struggled, consumer staples companies not only survived but continued to thrive thanks to their consistent demand. Their performance isn't explosive, but it's steady, making them a bedrock for any recession-proof investment strategy. Second on our list is healthcare and pharmaceuticals. Investment in healthcare and pharmaceuticals is often seen as a safe harbor during economic storms due to the non-negotiable nature of medical needs. People do not stop requiring medical attention, prescriptions, or healthcare products simply because the economy is in a downturn. Companies like AbbVie stand out in this field for their robust pipelines of essential medications and treatments that are critical year-round. AbbVie, known for its immunology and oncology portfolios, continues to perform well even when economic conditions wane, driven by ongoing demand for its products like Humira. Moreover, the sector is propelled by constant innovations, such as advancements in biotechnology and personalized medicine, which not only enhance its resilience, but also promise growth by meeting urgent and evolving health needs globally. This continuous development ensures that healthcare remains a pivotal and sturdy sector in any investment portfolio. Third on our list is discount retailers. In times of economic squeeze, consumers instinctively look for ways to stretch their budgets, making stores like Walmart and Costco invaluable. These retailers specialize in offering bulk and essential items at competitive prices, making them a magnet for cost-conscious shoppers. As the economy tightens, people tend to prioritize necessities and hunt for bargains, driving traffic towards these discount stores. Walmart and Costco are particularly adept at capitalizing on this shift, thanks to their large-scale and efficient operations, which allow them to offer lower prices without compromising on quality. This shift in consumer behavior not only helps sustain their sales, but often boosts them, underscoring the resilience of discount retailers as a top investment choice during recessions. Fourth on our list are technology firms, exemplified by companies like Apple. While it might seem counterintuitive, many tech companies have demonstrated remarkable resilience during economic downturns. This durability stems from the integral role technology plays in modern life. It's embedded in everything from how we work and learn to how we connect with others. Apple, for instance, has not only maintained revenue streams, but also seen growth in services and innovation during past recessions. Their ability to launch new products and adapt to changing consumer needs, like the introduction of budget-friendly models and enhancements in digital services, ensures they remain relevant and in demand. This enduring necessity of technology and daily routines supports the sector's robustness, making it a prudent choice for recession-proof investing. Fifth, we have utilities. Utilities are services everyone needs, like water, electricity, and gas, which makes them a stable investment. People always need to keep their lights on and their homes heated, no matter the state of the economy. Companies like NextEra Energy are great examples. They have shown steady performance because they provide essential services that don't see a drop in demand, even when times are tough. This consistent need makes utilities a reliable choice for investors looking for safety during uncertain economic times. The stability of utility companies is not just about offering essentials. It's also about their ability to maintain a steady cash flow and dividends, making them attractive for long-term investment. Sixth on our list is telecommunications. Communication services, such as phone and internet, are not just conveniences. They are necessities in today's world. Whether for staying connected with family, working remotely, or accessing information, these services are crucial. Companies like AT&T showcase the durability of the telecom sector even in economic downturns. They maintain a large and loyal customer base thanks to the essential nature of their services. During recessions, while people might cut back on discretionary spending, they tend to retain their communication services, making telecom a resilient sector. The consistent need for connectivity ensures steady revenue streams for these companies, reinforcing their status as solid investments during challenging economic times. Seventh on our roster are gold and precious metals. Historically, gold has been a refuge for investors during times of economic uncertainty. Its value often rises when other investments fall, providing a stabilizing effect for portfolios. This trend continues today as gold retains its appeal during downturns, reflecting a trusted traditional view that it's a safe haven. Beyond gold, other precious metals like silver and platinum also play similar roles, though their markets can be influenced by industrial demand as well. The enduring allure of these metals is not just their potential for appreciation, but also their ability to act as a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation, making them a prudent choice for those looking to protect their wealth in unstable times. Eighth on our list is consumer tech and services. As digital technologies continue to integrate into every aspect of our lives, the reliance on consumer tech products and services has grown exponentially. This sector includes everything from smartphones and laptops to streaming and cloud services, all of which have become essentials in our daily routines. Companies providing these services, such as Netflix for streaming or Google with its cloud solutions, have seen steady growth as more people turn to digital solutions for entertainment, work, and personal management. This increasing dependency ensures that the consumer tech sector not only remains relevant, but thrives, even as economic conditions fluctuate. The demand for continuous innovation and seamless connectivity drives the sector's resilience, making it a compelling choice for recession-proof investing. Ninth in our guide is the food and beverage sector. Essential and affordable food items are fundamental to everyday life, and their importance magnifies during economic downturns. Fast food chains play a critical role in this context by offering budget-friendly meals that cater to a wide demographic. Brands like McDonald's, Taco Bell, and Subway excel in providing cost-effective options that appeal to consumers looking to stretch their dining dollars. These establishments not only offer convenience, but also value, ensuring continued patronage even when household budgets tighten. The resilience of fast food chains during recessions showcases the sector's capability to adapt to changing economic conditions, maintaining strong sales by focusing on affordability and accessibility. Last but not least, at number 10, we have real estate investment trusts, or REITs, with a specific focus on healthcare and residential sectors. These types of REITs invest in properties like hospitals, nursing facilities, and residential apartments, assets that remain in demand regardless of economic fluctuations. Healthcare REITs are particularly stable because the need for healthcare services continues to grow, driven by an aging population and increasing healthcare requirements. Similarly, residential REITs benefit from the essential need for housing, maintaining occupancy and steady rental income even during recessions. Both sectors not only offer stability, but also potential for growth as they tend to yield attractive returns and dividends, making them a strong contender for recession-proof investing. As we wrap up, let's quickly recap the top 10 recession-proof investments we've discussed today. Consumer staples, healthcare and pharmaceuticals, discount retailers, technology, utilities, telecommunications, gold and precious metals, consumer tech and services, food and beverage, and real estate investment trusts focusing on healthcare and residential properties. These sectors offer stability and potential growth even during economic downturns, making them valuable additions to diversify your investment portfolio. Consider how these options might fit into your financial strategy to safeguard against future uncertainties. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions or what you'd like to see next. Your engagement helps us bring more valuable content to you.